2016 Porsche Panamera, the edition model, which was a special edition. At the end of the run, this is the last of this first generation of the Panameras. These came with a number of different options. As you can, I'll just walk around first. The nice headlights, blacked out front end. These are headlights that swivel as you go around a corner. The nice rims, larger brakes, black calipers. This car has a set of racing Martini Porsche stripes made in England, custom made for this vehicle, which are vinyl, high quality 3M vinyl, which if you don't like them, you could just peel them off. But I think they look good. This also came with the nicer exhaust, and of course all the rims are in perfect condition. Not a scratch on the car. These are electric rear view mirrors here, right here. And of course those are an option on all the different Porsches that you have to pay extra for, but are part of the edition model. Sunroof is also included in this model. Also, as you can see here, the black trim, gloss black trim, is part of it as well, part of the edition model. These windows have all been tinted professionally, of course, and this is unusual, and it's got the light tan interior. And you can see in here, I added a little dash mat just to protect the dash, easily to remove if you don't like it again. This has all the interior accoutrements, navigation, and all that type of thing. It's got 3 sport modes, sport, and then you can make 2 more. And the auto start and stop you can turn up manually, which is real nice here. Dual air conditioning units, so you can adjust either side. Heated seats as well. And let me walk over to the other side. Very clean looking. Here you can see the edition. Oh, it's got the, I guess these are 18 or 14, I don't know which, but away seats. It's got lumbar on backs and sides and all around and forward and back. Also, one thing I like is this, because I'm fairly tall, is that you can make the seat extend, which is nice if you're a tall guy. In the back, you've got the airbags here again, and you've got controls back here, heated seats in the back as well. This is a little power outlet, and this comes down and opens too, which is nice. Remember, on these Panameras you can pull here and the seat will fold forward and down, and you end up with all this back area. You have vents here, vents there. As you can see, the seats are in perfect condition. I have these little plastic on top of the real seats that say Porsche, just to protect them. And the back of the car lifts like that on lifts. Has a cover so people can't see what's in your trunk. It's removable. You can see the the rear seats fold forward to make this a complete pass-through. Got the Porsche cover for the back area. It's got a full-size spare underneath. Storage areas on either side. And again, tinted on the back window. You push the button, and down it goes. You can see the unique stripe on it. Oh, this one also has, can't see it here, but you can see the photos on the listing that also projects the Porsche emblem on the ground from each door, which is an unusual option that I added. Has Porsche little caps on there as well. Has a Bose Stereo system, which is, of course, is an upgrade on the Porsche models. Usually have a standard radio, then a Bose Stereo, and a Burmester, and this is the Bose, which is louder than I need. This has all the other then you put the map on the right there on one of the instruments. Got the clock here on top. Full set of different controls there. Nice control there. And you can see the driver's seat, brand new. And 8,480 miles car. It's got paddle shifters here. And of course the steering wheel goes in and out. Nice clean looking steering wheel. I like this one because it's real clean. Nice beautiful leather here. Footrests, nice pedals, and that's about it. Matching seatbelts. Oh, and yeah, there's emblems on the back of the it's another option that you have to pay for normally. There's this emblem on the back of the seats. It's a very pretty car. That's pretty much it. Got a little more time. There's the engine. As you can see, looks brand new, nice and clean. This car has never had any damage, scratches, dents, that type of thing. Never any accidents. Nothing on the sides. No mechanical issues since I've owned the car. Just changed the oil, and that's about it. What can I tell you? That's the car. You can see in here it's nice and clean, pretty, and that's it. Hard to find one. It took me a long time to find this one that had the clean tan interior. The most always black interiors, but I like the tan. It looks so much nicer inside, in my opinion. So. And there it is. Give me a call. Bye. I hope. I don't know after I did all that. Why is the screen dead? Oh shit. Don't tell me.